Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Windows tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can enable your clipboard history and also how you can use your clipboard history on your Windows PC. So the concept about the clipboard history is going to give you a history of all the stuff you've copied on your PC for 24 hours. The next 24 hours is going to refresh and then it's going to update you with the stuff you copied in that 24 hours as well. So to be able to use clipboard history on your PC, you need to enable it first. So let me show you guys how to enable it. So let's come here and now let's search clipboard settings here. You just need to type that. I think I didn't type. Some of you guys are not going to get it here. So clipboard, and you choose that. Yeah, so I'm on the page here. So on here you just need to turn this on. So you can see clipboard history. I turn it on. Yes, so I can see here my history has been turned on. So now anytime I copy something, it's going to be kept in my history. So now let me close it. And then I'm on here. Let's say I'm doing some typing here. Let me come to the bottom of the page. So let's say I'm doing some typing here and then I want to move to my clipboard history to, paste something I copied earlier. So I need to tap on the Windows plus V and you can see my clipboard is empty because I just turned it on. So what I need to do is copy some stuff on this page. So I copy. So yeah, I'm done. I've copied some stuff. So now let me come here and then let me tap on the Windows plus V and you can see the history of things I've copied, from the improved security to the system stability, enhanced blah blah blah. You can see, so when I tap on that improved security, which is the 4 I copied, let me come down here and then my Windows plus V and then my numbers I typed, you can see here. Now let me come down here and then this, my symbols, my dollar, my hashtag, and the rest, my @. So that's it on how you can enable your clipboard history and also how you can use your clipboard history. So don't forget, to be able to get access to your clipboard history, you need to turn it on, and then the shortcut on your PC to get access to it is your Windows and then your V. Yes, your Windows and your V. So if you are on a page and then you want to copy all the stuff here, just be copying the paragraphs, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+C. When you come here, you're going to get access to all of them, plus V, and then you're going to get access to all of them here. So you just be pasting them. So that's it on how you can enable your clipboard and also use your clipboard on your PC. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. And also I have a lot of tutorials on Windows. So if you're a Windows user, I think you can hop on my channel and then check out these videos. That's it once again. Peace.